Oh, he's off the mark. He's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Straight Drive. I am Darpan with RK sir. Sir won another match and won another loss by Chennai Super Kings. What do you think about it?
Chennai had made the change
Yeah,
that it had to make.
yeah,
So many times in earlier our episodes,
yeah,
I have told from here,
right,
मुरली must not be in the team.
yeah. He wasn't in the team today.
मुरली को रखना साफ शब्दों में मैंने कहा था.
जी,
मुरली को रखना मतलब कि अपनी टीम को विजय से दूर रखना. They have done that process to
Yeah.
remove Murli Vijay.
right,
But in one of the episode we have discussed कि चेन्नई को रैना की कमी खलेगी.
right,
रैना है ना, वो हमारा संवाद था.
yeah,
Now this Reina was not here and
Right.
they are struggling for the batsman number 3.
right,
So lack of batsman number 3 and their opener could not run, their opener could not play well,
yes,
and winning the toss and choosing the first bat, that's what I have said earlier,
Yeah.
right before one day.
yeah,
If you win the toss,
you have,
take the bat,
yeah,
off the bat and make 180 run on the board,
right,
and that pressure will automatically lead to you victory.
yes, definitely. Now let's come to the batting of Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sunrisers Hyderabad got slow start today. Then Ken Williamson got run out, and then Priyam Garg and Abhishek Sharma handled really well. And they, because of them, Sunrisers Hyderabad got 164 runs in 20 overs.
Yes.
So what do you say about Priyam Garg and Abhishek Sharma?
Before saying them, before saying anything about them,
Yeah,
I would like to say that it was a crime to get run out
yeah,
in power play.
yeah.
So Williamson, it was a mistake of Williamson. There
Definitely,
was no run.
Definitely.
Okay, and then whatever happened, but because of that, Garg got good chance
Yeah,
to prove himself,
and he grabbed it.
and he grabbed it.
Right.
You see, Priyam Garg was a captain of under 19,
Yeah,
and गर्ग को खेलते हुए जब देखा तो लगा कि हम स्वर्ग में बैठे हैं.
yes.
Okay, it would be interesting to know about Priyam Garg. 19 years old.
Yeah,
He has lost his mother at the age of 11.
right.
Then his father did hard work. He himself also hard work.
Okay.
He got to merit.
Yeah.
He got chance to get training at merit. It was 20 kilometers far from his house, and he was going there by bicycle. So all these is because of his hard work.
Yeah.
And I can see that Priyam Garg has a very nice shot selection.
Yeah, definitely.
He places the ball very nicely.
Yeah,
He has very good timing.
yeah.
He is very good runner between the wicket, and he is
And
a
if you
very
look at-
nice fielder as well.
Yeah. Then, sir, what do you say about Abhishek Sharma?
Abhishek Sharma and Priyam Garg both know each other very well
Yeah,
because they have played so many tournaments together. Abhishek Sharma is just 20 years old,
yeah,
left-handed, and today he had proved that he is able to handle the pressure,
right.
and their partnership gave a respectable total to Hyderabad.
Yes,
Now you see, this is a 2020 game, and our players who are just 19 and 20 years old playing such a nice game, it was a wonder to see them playing.
Now let's come into the bowling attack of Chennai Super Kings. Deepak Chahar was looking good today. What a delivery it was that he bowled to Johnny Bairstow.
Yes.
3 out swinger and then 1 in swing, and Johnny Bairstow got bowled.
It was a pre-planned deliveries
Yeah,
that trapped Bairstow,
Yeah.
who is running in his best form.
right.
So, and Indian cricket has invested so much over Deepak Chahar, and Deepak Chahar is performing very nice since long.
Yeah,
But Sardul Thakur was never impressive. Once again, today he didn't look that much impressive. Plus, he dropped
one catch. Yes.
one catch also.
Yeah. You know what? Deepak Chahar leaves his impact when pitch supports to fast bowler. What do you think about it?
Deepak Chahar is not that much fast bowler
Yeah,
who can bowl over a speed of 145 kilometers per hour.
yeah,
But he swings the ball well
yeah.
when pitch supports to medium paces.
Right, definitely.
He can be as good as Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Yeah,
But we will see ahead how he develops himself.
Chennai had to chase 165 runs. It was a good total, particularly in this ground. But Chennai lost his 4 wicket in just 42 runs. And Duplessis, who was a great in-form batsman for Chennai Super Kings, he got run out. So I think it was a terrible mistake by Chennai Super Kings.
In fact, match ran away
Yeah,
when Duplessis got run out.
yeah,
And power of Chennai had been gone in power play.
yeah.
So it was difficult to get rid from this situation. Though we must appreciate Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Definitely.
He has shown today that he is not less than any young cricketer.
Definitely. I think I should say Dhoni is a Spartan for Chennai Super Kings.
Yes, Spartan was a great warrior. Like him, Dhoni is also a great warrior for Chennai Super Kings and for whatever team he plays.
Yeah.
The match, which was lost almost, came closer to victory because of Dhoni.
Yeah, but we should not forget the contribution of Ravindra Jadeja. He got 50 in just 35 balls.
Whenever Dhoni needed runs from Ravindra Jadeja, he contributed.
Yeah,
So he is a great all-rounder of
Yeah.
our time.
yeah. But you know what? Dhoni was not looking good today. He found struggling today in the end of the match.
Yes, maybe the age factor worked,
Yeah,
but Dhoni is Dhoni.
yeah. At the age of
When Dhoni is there is always chances of unhoni.
Yeah.
So आज unhoni नहीं हो पाई, that is different thing.
Yeah.
But I salute him for his bold approach.
definitely
That he brought his team close to victory.
right.
Unfortunately, Chennai could not win the match, and he stayed at last position where he was, and Hyderabad pulled up himself to a position number 4.
Yeah. Actually, we don't have any question about MS Dhoni fitness because at this age, at the age of 40, you know, some players can't compare to Dhoni in fitness level. So yeah, the fitness level of Dhoni is really very good.
Till there is no alternative
Of MS Dhoni.
of Dhoni. We have so many keepers
Right.
in queue,
Yeah.
but there is no alternative for Dhoni. Dhoni is Dhoni.
Yeah, Dhoni stars line where he stands.
And others have to stand behind him.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Now let's come to the T. Natarajan. T. Natarajan was quite expensive today, but he got 2 wickets. So I think he has a good talent.
Yes, the talent which BCCI wanted,
Yeah.
who can replace Khalil Ahmed.
Yeah.
So he can bowl very nice Yorkers with a good speed, good line and length. So we hope that he will prove a very nice bowler for which our management is seeking very badly.
At the end of our show, what is a quick review for today's match?
Dhoni will have to strengthen his middle order.
Yeah.
He will have to do something about his fielding department. And now coming matches, Dhoni will have to win matches anyhow.
Yeah.
because at the position where he is, it will be difficult for him to go ahead
Yeah, because it doesn't look.
and get top 4 position.
Yeah, it doesn't look good
To
to see Dhoni at number 8.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you for watching us today, and give a comment who's gonna win tomorrow between the battle of Double R and RCB. And never forget to subscribe our channel. Have a good day.